Hey you guys, welcome to the channel. So today I wanted to come on here and try out a clay mask on my hair. I'm gonna be trying this clay. It's the Aztec Secret Indian healing clay. I've tried Russell clay before, but I don't think I've tried bentonite clay, or if I did, it was probably so long ago. But I wanted to come on and try it on my short natural hair and see how it goes. Oopsie. I should have been prepared for that. Okay, so I'm gonna be mixing my clay in here. We're gonna go ahead and just like kind of eyeball things. I'm not good with directions and stuff like that, so I'm just eyeball it and try to figure out what consistency I want. But yeah, I'm just putting the clay. So I'm using about that much clay. I hope this won't be too much. And I have some water. It says you can mix it with apple cider vinegar, but I don't know if I want to do that. Maybe I will do that. Maybe I'll do a little bit of water and a little bit of apple cider vinegar. Just gonna do a little bit of water. Wow, it's like bubbling. This is what we have, so I'm definitely gonna need more. I'm gonna go get some apple cider vinegar though. This is the apple cider vinegar that I had, so that's what I'm gonna use. Ooh, that's kind of a lot. Ooh, it smells really bad. I hate apple cider vinegar. Oh my god, that's crazy. It's so loud. So yeah, I'm gonna just stir it till I get it to the consistency that I want it at. I think this might be a good enough consistency. Alright you guys, I ended up adding a little bit more clay just to get it to a thicker consistency, but I think that is good. I hope that this will be enough because I don't want to have to stop in the middle of doing my hair to make some more. But yeah, we're just gonna get into applying. My hair is not, I didn't like pre-pour detangle it or anything because I didn't want to put oil in it before putting the clay on it, because I didn't want the oil to interfere with the clay being able to actually like penetrate and like get things out of my hair, you know? So we're just gonna have to be really careful, and I'm gonna probably just finger detangle as I go. I'm gonna just put my hair in 4 sections for now. Alright y'all, so I did some finger detangling, and I think I'm gonna divide this section into a half again so that I can work in smaller sections. So I'll end up having 8 sections total. I'm gonna just spray my hair with a little bit of water, aloe vera juice, whatever you have, that's aloe vera juice. So now I'm just gonna take a little bit of the clay and I'm just gonna make sure I'm getting some like on my scalp too. This really elongates your hair. Link check. Ugh, this is so messy. See, I think this is why I don't like clay masks. They're just too messy. Alright, next section. Just gonna wet my hair a little bit. Okay, just gonna take a little bit more. Honestly, I'm just gonna put it in my hands. I feel like it's easier that way. Alrighty, y'all, so I am done applying it all over my hair. I am not gonna lie, I did not enjoy that. That was stressful. It's just so sticky and messy that I don't know if I would ever repeat this again. I guess we'll have to rinse it off and see the results and see if it really does like do a good job of like cleansing and whatever else it's supposed to do. I don't know. If the results are good, then maybe I could justify doing this. Alright guys, so I am back and out of the shower. I rinsed off the clay and I did my conditioning and deep conditioning after that. But I would say that my hair, it felt pretty good after the clay. I don't know if it was that different from how it feels after shampoo. So I don't know, this might be something that I do once in a while, but let me show you guys what it looks like. This is what it's looking like. That's how my hair looks after the clay. I will say it maybe felt slightly different from when I used shampoo, so it might be worth using. Like, it didn't feel as stripped and as squeaky as it usually feels when I use a sulfate shampoo. So maybe it might be worth using if my hair is like for some reason super dry and I just don't want to use a shampoo. But that was stressful. Putting this stuff in my hair was stressful. Washing it out was pretty easy. It wasn't like getting stuck or anything like that. But you know, if it's something that you enjoy doing and you enjoy putting it in your hair and it feels like self-care, that's great. And if it works for you, I think it's a good product. And I think it does clean your hair well and everything. But do you have to do clay washes? I don't know. Does it make a drastic difference? I don't really think so. It might be good if your hair is like super dry and you don't want to do the sulfate shampoo. It might be a good option for cleansing, or if you don't want to use a shampoo just because you want to use something natural or organic or whatever, and so you want to use a clay instead, that's fine. But personally, I like to keep things very simple, and I really don't like to DIY things because I feel like it becomes too much and it gets too complicated, and then it sucks the fun out of doing hair, you know? But if you enjoy it, if you like DIYing things and you like putting clay masks in your hair and you don't mind the time that it takes, and you don't mind the mess, that's cool. Yeah, you guys probably won't be seeing me using it often. It's not gonna be a part of my regimen. It might be something that I do like once every like 3-4 months just to do it if I'm just in the mood to do it. I think that like if you're gonna do clay washes, find a good recipe, better than just mixing water and apple cider vinegar. Like, I don't know if there's any like recipes that have like oils in them or something, because I think it could have used an oil in there. It was just way too sticky and I just didn't like the feeling of that. And then it was also so dry. Like, I mean, it's clay, so it's gonna get dry, but I think it might be nice to have some oil in there just to help the application process and to help it not get too dry. I don't know if the oil will interfere with it being effective in cleaning your hair. It might. Yeah, those are my thoughts. And yeah, so if you like being bougie with your wash day routine, totally go for it. If you enjoy it, you like how it makes your hair feel, totally go for it. If you're simple like me and you're just like, you know, I enjoy doing hair, but I don't want it to take that long, then yeah, I would say just use a shampoo. It's not a huge difference. You're not missing out, you know. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you've ever tried the clay and if you saw any dramatic changes, or if you saw anything like drastic happen to your hair. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna go style my hair. I'll probably just end up doing some mini twists or something because I need to give my hair a break. I've been filming a lot and I've had my hair out all week. Yeah, that's pretty much it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.